In the funny little town of Truceville, the animals were always arguing. They fought about who had the fluffiest tail or the loudest moo. The wise old owl saw this and knew it had to stop. She called a big meeting with all the animals. Owl said, "Let's have a silly peace treaty meeting. Bring a funny gift to make everyone laugh." The animals were curious and agreed to come. The day of the meeting, everyone gathered in the big field. First, the cow brought a big red nose and danced. Everyone laughed at the silly cow. Then, the rabbit hopped in with huge, floppy ears. The animals giggled and clapped. Next, the cat showed off wearing giant, colorful socks. They thought it was the funniest thing ever. The duck waddled in with swim goggles on his head. The field filled with laughter. The moral of the story is that laughter and kindness can turn conflicts into friendship, bringing peace and unity to everyone.